It's me again, your girl. I'm here to show you how the beach looks like here. But here it's a place that people they can fish. I can see some people fishing that side. You can see they are fishing. I don't have to show people. It's okay. I will just show you how the beach looks like. See, here's the boat. If we need to travel to that end, people will come here. They will put music to this boat. Will pay. It's not a time, but like maybe 7 p.m. 7 p.m. like this, they will be here so that they can open these boats. These are birds. They will put music. I hope you are seeing the boat. Huh? Still in the water. Wow, in the water. They actually, yes, I was. Oh my God, it's 24. Yeah, I was telling you about the boat. These boats, you can see. People pay here. I think it is 10 real or 15 real. Before, when we ride this boat, we paid 10 real, and they took us very far to this ocean. Is this a ocean or a sea? I don't know. You can tell me down there in the comment section. Wow, I'm enjoying this water. You can see. At this side, the water is very dirty. Can you see it, guys? You can see the water. Yeah, sometimes we have this. Jesus. Hey guys, meet my fisherman here. Say hi to my people. See? He's holding, what do you call this one? Yeah, he's trying. And what do you call this one? This one. Yeah, what's the name?
Sip.
Sip?
English, sip.
English is... Ah, you got fish? Wow, one. Guys, we got one fish. See? One fish. One fish is here. See, guys? I touch? Can I touch? I touch? Yeah, guys, see? We got fish. Wow. It's a silver fish. I don't know which kind of fish is this one. It's silver. Wow. See? Wow, it's fresh fish from the, I don't know, sea or ocean. He put something like a magnet, like fish. That thing is like fish, you can see. Let me see, guys. Oh, I'm smelling fish. Smelling. Okay, it's alright. Bye bye. Good luck. Get more fish. We will come and buy. Guys, I left my fisherman. What time are you going to open your boat? But I'm taking video. Okay, it's okay with you?
Because boat is some kind of difficult on that engine. I have a problem.
Ah, you have a problem? So today you are not going to open? Maybe. What time actually you open?
Open around 3 a.m. but our boat is not coming today.
Ah, okay.
He is coming for fix the problem. If the problem is fixed.
Ah, okay. Okay. How much is the entrance?
How many boats you have?
Huh?
How many boats you have?
I have like 3, my friends.
One person only 20 there.
20 Ria? Okay. I will come and check, huh? if you are open. Thank you. Have a nice day. Guys, I was talking to one of the, I don't know, they call the driver of these boats. I was asking what time they will open, how much the charges. He told me now it's 20 real. Before, I know we paid 15 real, but it was long time. It was yeah, it was last year. We paid 20 real. We paid 20. I saw the fisherman. The fisherman got only one fish, the silver fish. The silver fish. I don't know what's the name of the fish. I did not ask him. But it's okay, it's fish. My hands are smelly. They are smelling fish. There is another fisherman there, but I don't know to show them. You know, if you capture someone without his or her authority, you may end up got caught. So I'm being very careful of this. I'm walking beside the shores, guys. You can see the pani China. Pani means water, guys. China means there is no water. Chani pine. Yeah, it's Nepali language. How are you? Good. It's Nepali language. Pani China. It means there is no water. But there is water. I don't know why they are saying there is no water. Maybe it's not food as I know. They know better because I don't come to this side all the time. It was just a coincidence. I missed the way where I was going, so I had to come to this side. It was a coincidence. Oh my gosh, I'm going very far. It's very far the place I'm going, by the way. Oh my god, I don't know what time I will reach to that place. But it's good. I'm feeling good. You know, I was just at home, bored. You know, I slept. My back was paining by sleeping. And I go down here. But I fear, you know, maybe my phone will fall down again. Oh my gosh, let me pass. I fear. And I'm alone. I'm alone. So let me go. But you know what I like most here is the cleanliness. My gosh, the cleanliness. Cleanliness, 100%. I like it. See? Have you seen garbage littering around? Everywhere there is bins. You cannot dust bins. I mean, you cannot throw just garbage anyhowly. You want, see? Wow. This one is like timber. I fear to go that side. I may fall down. I may fall. I may fall. Let me turn my camera to that side so that I can show you how this side is.